Were there any surprises from the experience, positive or negative?
Yeah. The biggest positive surprise is when you see people making these phenomenal reports and analyses that go up to the, to the C-suite, and you would never have thought to do that, and they made it, they made it look really good and really professional, and it's just happening. And the maturity of your organization has moved up because you've given them what they need to do so, and they've just grasped it. That's the coolest positive surprise, like without hand holding or saying you should do this, they just grab it and they go with it. The negative side is you just have to be careful because, like I said, it moves fast. There were instances where folks maybe just didn't get what they needed to understand it or to be able to feel comfortable just going in and starting to use it. So you do need to over communicate to make sure that people have the support they need to be able to leverage this.